Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to our Ice Life Garage, and today we have something really interesting. It's gonna be the first real authentic part that I've ever bought for my car. Actually, that's a lie, I have an authentic body kit, but it's gonna be the first authentic part I've ever bought other than eBay. So I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you guys, because you guys probably already saw it from the thumbnail and the title. So we got a Nardi, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and I'm gonna show you guys what we got. This is gonna be the first time of me opening it, and you guys are gonna be seeing this. So go ahead and open that. That's all we got for the Nardi box. We're gonna keep this for good measure. All right, so it comes with this little bubble wrapping thing, and inside here is gonna be your steering or your button and stuff. So here's the button and the center cover. I got the Nardi Classic, so it has a center cover on it. So I'm going to put that to the side. And here's the hardware, which I don't know if I'm going to use this hardware or get some black NRG hardware, because I don't think I'm going to run the center cover, because I'm going to go super Japanese style. And no center cover, just center button. And I'm going to take this out now. So there we go. Throw this aside. Nardi Classic leather. Let's get a close look there. So I went with the non-perforated leather, and it's gray stitching with the silver center. And let's put this in there so you can see actually. Right side up though. So this is what it's gonna look like, sorta, in the car. Real nice. So that was just a little edit that I made of the Nardi. I actually recorded that video like a day ago or 2 days ago, and I never really made an outro. So this is gonna be the outro, guys. But anyways, we got a Nardi in here now. Got my nice titanium NRG. Oh, that voice crack though. Nice titanium NRG quick release in there. So anyways, guys, be sure to subscribe for more, because there's gonna be more cool stuff coming soon. And we got a Nardi in here now to go with our interior. Got our JDM cup holder right there. Anyways, guys, subscribe for more. And that's gonna be it.